Hello everybody and welcome to my exhibition here at Namaka. It's a pop-up and we're here all weekend, and you may ask why I bothered having an exhibition here when it's only 2 minutes away from my studio, but if you look at this lovely procession of the birds you'll see why. Because my studio is all higgledy-piggledy, can't even say it, whereas here we can get a long run at it. And I've had a special message from a music lover and a poetry lover who says, "Hello Martin, please don't bore the arses off everybody by reciting those stupid verses," from a poetry lover.
Fear not.
I have to say I'm a bit upset about that.
Fear not. I am your fairy godmother, and I have appeared to sing your songs.
Oh wow,
Put music to your verses.
gosh.
We'll do a flight of peacocks. I've made hundreds of peacocks, and I'm wondering why some of them never take to the sky. They still can do it. It's not too late, even though most of them are now overweight.